Felix Ajo
because Felix Ajo Felix assault
on say we yem free Friday me bang na me crowd bullets pion
Felix don't wow meeting so am sorry
me na da and
so shouts going out to you Felix
DVL
oh DVL tama
10
to Chamau
10 room 11 but ning na no wadaroma me dey bra no kra me she face mask no kwem hu me na am see oh eti no and I made the bride reading afodidi menim say ya temanka meta agro ho because I'm so on the bills into me drew wa menya in a pa because am dey menimu papa we mo bi o habo wo ho nice one na me beside the see asem so na da chi bia no eja me hu ni say no me dey wa aye ba
no problem
me dey abufo na bride
chechim
who say me we me ya pion
yeah
so mo musuo pa no 500 na konkon sa metina ha bohre masa me na da me bu afu pa
na mpacho momra why
we bigger than 300 no
mushia sister Sandy on Facebook live Adom 106.3 FM yes live on Facebook mombra sesia na esa dia fila no be man academy basa so be ha me papa
making Obin Sheda ehu de ne Brajeri ahye ebia na utie Adom 106.3 na wani mo Jerry atade so wode hye mesro data ento bebre wate Adom 106.3 na behwe menua no na tim senra mama aduane ni ko square papa because any an never hye
enra na Mother's Day fufu nemu ye pa but wadaro mantina man fan to come twatwo
na de yes ah pion say bullet malodi
this is azu tu chema wate
Mrs. Azu
yamisha
mama machia we ya na mama wonte
Zulewa bibia be fine why
Zulewa ne nickname no Zulewa shios mama matum grade no eti ajare na tona Brajeri
yo
mama nsha sie mfiri ye mama na ya abrefo say since Friday me hu say ya sopa me mama a
say why then
ya toto na me say interview bi anshada anya isa ni ade anti sanyo o ma sopa mama na e kan adwuma no ho kan ya big deal e ka ho but I think comment bi a me ko hu ya me re ho ye one of those things that obi timi ka say obi abie ne na mu ni ama na adwuma Oni no me screenshot it, me public announcement, me screenshot it. Me manu to ebia watching anywhere. When me me chim baby and na could be one or no baby mama me. Because they say it's accusations na also. As a and as a TV so na baby I will be na no kind of petrol. It's about time o can the enemy especially sa comment section because dignity wo hoyi. Enya dia it say ya ultimately tissue paper maneko. Na ka ho. Wa hu enti din die ugu hu fie ha me especially omo be me sa no eti maka wo de wo be ma afa asemi ti se nyin sen be sha bills me catch say na no me frank papa bills me sha that number be free papa bills no ni number no me friend am say papa I'm pregnant or see keep it me mo so da on
because wo
aminya obi yet
me
oh maka me nya ni sesi a
ko kuida me 90 mu onko be
oda me nya ni yes oh hene and I'm pregnant because I have not done anything so keep it it's in account African meye mu bi e friend Sunday Frank meye mu bi we maka e bia wo de na nyin sen am de beba it's meye bibia into the show sapo mu nsuo na de tweme it's no eno na e koso nti esro mo ada me jina Adom TV aso ye ho no me no ye dwumadi bia na paye ohu ye me nshoma
yeah
omo ma me no performing
you say one shining
me na da na hu ma no wa hu se nkwale
hey Brajeri me show mo na me nkwale ma film but mintimi ba ne ada say ja social distancing ne ada yes I come be church
enya nkra me ho e chrese nkwala ne bu afu Brajeri de den kam nam se ye ka social distancing
no want
wono ma me performing ya mo ko na chiri
me ba numbers ne be cost so how to just stay at home and
performing in pairs so no ma me we are dey certified I think say it's very commendable because on my nice show on my okay normally na paye program Adom TV e ko baby na do ma me aba ne say no fine by run no koronti yeah different edition Jerry, maybe in 70 if I'm in Concon.
Okay.
I said I'm the way Papa Quim.
Yeah.
It's Mary, dear, my main thing, see, I see. That mean a Debbie near crew. And no Baroni. And sister Fia. Almost mammy. But Midi Jantoa. To Ghana for him say, Ye Yano Trocam and then Cosa. I call Ghana for her. Beef would do not be a huge naso. Beef for Quano Majani Pane support, meeting Sancho any more grown. Because my lordy bullet, pew pew pew. What beef we bechem? I won't support the girls near me, no quite a double fast for Ghana has many abre pan.
Okay.
Strong man name medical, yeah. Almost the whole Ghana no be at a strong manage.
Yeah.
Ni views no the video to 2 hours 20,000 views but my beef in trim no post I don't know how many views.
Good one.
I didn't think I was say beef near the supporting this girl has been there since when dear it is if you are naive and quite rap and to punch and come on get nana what to you dear sending word done you know
sending word done.
I like the backing vocalist you know right Jerry. No one supporting Papa, you laughing. Papa, don't let me laugh. I'm not in the mood to laugh. But I see the boy. Okay. Bra. Miss Rom say energy na. On Monday, supporting or beef.
During the beef time, you know.
Beef with Chemwa, Miss
some supporters are.
And money and no.
And almost beef ni Chemwa. Sister,
if you meet me, I can sister if you hit songs. Or was sending a word at 9. Or Ajay. Penny's liquid, I so slay nation. Well, the girls are good. No, or Babes, or come, Mamma 5 foot, just so there. Oh, it's Miss Romo, I ain't no way in Qua, or be for this Arabia, so be for
more. Even after the beef.
Yes.
Okay. If you really love the person now supporting during the beef, why not still keep that support coming after the beef? Yes. The okay, especially with strong minded because it looks like the whole Ghana was solidly behind strong man.
I like what you are saying, preacher. Strong man, I said Twitter. Boy, it's because that #1 trend. Mummy says, "Oh boy, you mean 10 a.m. album? Yeah, we release it." Oh boy, you mean Pilolo and boy, it's a Kevin boy. I don't know that #1.
Of 500
Menya, so you say 3 days. I say me who na sana am de na me na da pio na me who na no aba. It's by Jerry. Miss Romo pan, we are beefing.
Okay.
But after the beef, let's cook and eat together.
Sure.
Because the girls are good. And your beef never more abe support, abe who will be talent. Say beef among kana men she beef ni bi na me in your world.
That's why.
But Jerry met was by Jerry. Once again, as a salmon in this year.
That is a
na ese matiasi baby enye ma mencha Shaida or UK.
Okay.
Shaida 80. Why unya about Shaida? Rashida. Nah, I don't like that. Say Rashida baby.
All right. Shida love.
Okay,
yeah, baby.
Yes, you know, where guy. But a story a chat to me di ejao. But Brisky ebienya bagana ha.
Hey.
Nya baako omodoso. Bobrisky nya bagana ha. Enye Bobby mecha Ghana Bobrisky. Ebenezer Force and Arjoy. What the Arjoy ni si aguna nu bebre sa. Suddenly boy na start to makeup. Was that a sharig? Ye video ye nani say ya to ne nsa na me say hey
to lipstick.
Papa don't know about betirem. Oni movie a me hu. Jerry say Anna Bobrisky sha say on Nigeria. Oh, I just love makeup. I just like you need to say wakwaya oba straight. What was it say the Bobrisky guy? Na dey Ebenezer Force ma men kan Adom 106.3. How dey you hopem kosa na menchew. Say suddenly when you no for when you to adane oba. Eka kwen bia so be pensu ahoro ho ama makeup ni nyina. You be pensu ahoro ho ama makeup ni nyina. Ya so say nyama no so Ghana ha. Because Adolson. Nobody is stopping you with your rights, but if you're a man, remain a man. Oh, a difference. Oh, feel so you're transgender. Near the American back also do him Martin. Coinsta gonna cry your back straight. Or much more confant to pim or bano. Or confant to pim and on a mema, a word dormitory or mujari. Say, make us an anchor type Instagram or him Martin. Bye, Jerry.
Yadama. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
Bye, Jerry. Wushia saw him Martin with Instagram. I have a bell swing a girl. Funny new if you're not for dear.
The trio was
not down. On also say I saw confidence him. I say for Froba. For Froba, Benetta, the Arjoy, in a girl, no so. And you're not Arjoy, Joy, and a Roger, may call.
Gangsta loving, Aquabwa. MTN says say goodbye to memorizing 1,001 short codes. Commodity songs will experience a complete one-click access to all MTN services with my MTN app. What check your airtime, data, and Momo balance. What top bundles with airtime or MTN Momo. Sounds like me monitor your data usage as well as calls made. What access MTN Momo account and so much more with my MTN app. Make sure so download this here from Google Play Store or App Store. Now I enjoy 50 MB data free. We're good together everywhere you stay. A special greetings going out to you, Joyce Bima, Beffy, aka Mrs. Day, OYL London, Oxford. Special shots going out to you. This is also Felicita Sandy be a guy, pa.